Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see one error which we face in Postman while testing the Node API. Okay, so guys, already I told. Suppose if you're testing any APIs, the process will be the same, but okay, but then also I'm getting some errors. So like errors, I will not say comments. So I thought I'll make video on that. Okay, so the question was this, guys, like they're facing issue in Node.js, that is while testing the API, and the error will be the 404 not found error. Okay, so that only we will see, guys, today how we can test. So you can see, guys, if you are getting that error in Node.js, then how it will be. So I'll show you that. You can see, guys, if you are getting that error, the error will be like this. For example, here is my post, here is my path, and I have used a post method, means I am sending something from my body to my API. Okay, and from there I'm receiving the data. Okay, but while receiving the data, I got this error, that is 404 not found error. Okay, so you can see what it is telling: cannot post API data. Okay, means related to this only it is showing error, guys. So suppose if you are facing the same error, that is 404 not found error in your Node APIs, then how to solve that I'll tell you, guys, and it is very easy. You can solve it very easily, and the video will be very small, it will be not large, guys, so you will understand. So you can see, guys, normally suppose if you're seeing this video, means I will think like you know how to create APIs in Node.js. Okay, and suppose if you don't know, then guys, already in detailed video I have done how you can create the APIs. Even I have done the CRUD operation, you can watch that. Okay, so let's start, guys. So you can see, guys, here already my one API is there. So here is my get API where I'm using the path, that is API and message, and here is my request and response. Okay, so I'm getting the response for this get API, that is hello from Node.js backend. Okay, and next here you can see this is my post API, where this is the my path and where I'm getting request and response, and here I'm taking the request body from my this postman. Okay, so this is my request body, guys. Means from here I'm getting the data from request body, and whatever the data I'm getting, that I'm showing in console, as well as that we're returning in JSON format, you can see here. Okay, so while testing this API, I am getting the error, guys. And suppose if you're new, guys, and if you don't know about this, then you will face, definitely you will face this error. So why you will face, guys? So the first thing, guys, if you are testing any API, you just need to check the path. What is the path? Okay, so you can see, guys, here is API, here a forward slash data. Okay, so you can see the same path I have used. You can see there is nothing different. I have not added anything extra here. You can see here is my API, here is my data. Then also I'm getting the error. You can see, guys. Okay, and you can see my path is also same. But if you observe in different way, you will get something here. So you can see, guys, here is space, right? You can see, guys, here is space, but if you go here, there is no space. Okay, so while creating APIs, guys, space is also important here. If you're giving space, means here also you need to give the space, guys. Okay, and if you don't want space, you can remove the space. So while uh, what happen, guys, when we are beginners, then we will not consider these all things like space and all, right, commas and all. So when you are beginner, that time you will face this error lot. Otherwise, if you are in prompt in this, if expert in this, then you will not face this error. Okay, so you can see, guys, now I have removed the space because already space was there. Okay, now I have removed that. So once again I'll restart the server because I have not installed node more in this, so I have to restart, guys, for all changes. So enter. Now you can see, guys, there is no space. If I go here and if I send, you can see, guys, my response is whatever I'm sending in Fiskai and my email ID. You can see I got the response. Here I'm getting the name, here I'm getting the email, right? So whatever the response I'm getting, that response, you can see, guys, from here I'm getting the response: data received successfully. If you see here, you can see here data received successfully. And as I told you, I'm printing this in console as well. So you can see, guys, in console also I'm getting the same. You can see. Okay, so this is very matter, guys, that is path is very important. So if you're facing that error, that is 404 not found, this error will be path error only. Space missing, comma missing, quotes missing, that time you will face this error, guys. Okay, and if I test this API, that is get API, so what I'll do, guys, I'll go here, just change this to get, and here I'll make it as message. Okay, everything is correct here, only data, the path is here message. Okay, so I'll run once again. Okay, so I'll type here message, guys, and we'll test the API, guys. Okay, you can see, guys, I got the response, that is hello from node.js backend. Okay, so this response I'm getting for this my get API. Okay, so like this you can solve, guys, any error, sorry, 404 not found error or other error also, guys. So I hope, guys, you got what we need to concentrate when we are getting this error, and the video is very small, guys. So if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, then guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys.